Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Pump prices are to reach record highs tomorrow. Petrojam today announced that it will hike a litre of 87 and 90 gasoline by $1.98. The increase takes the price of the fuel to an all-time high. Automotive diesel will go up by $3.15, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will sell for $2.83 more. Kerosene is up $2.52 and butane will cost $1.19 more. Propane will, however, decline by 8 cents. The Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, has released the findings of its Inflation Expectations Survey as at July 2018. The survey captures the perception of CEOs, managing directors, and financial controllers about the future movement of prices, business conditions, and the rate of increase in wages. The details in this report.
Inflation is the rate at which the price on goods and services rise. And, according to the Bank of Jamaica BOJ, those prices should go up by year end. The survey of inflation expectations now indicating that businesses also expect inflation to rise. The survey revealed that businesses think inflation will end the year at 4.8%. Over the past few months, inflation has dominated public discourse as it struggles to hit the BOJ target. The latest statistics show that inflation was below the target at 3.9%. BOJ Governor Brian Winter attempting to stay ahead of the conversation by arguing that low inflation isn't a bad thing, but it is an indication that the production in the economy is below its potential, which in turn is a worrying trend. Nevertheless, the 4.8 expectation is marginally higher than the May survey, which showed an expectation outturn of 4.7%. Looking ahead, firms expect inflation within the next 12 months to go up by 5.2%, but the perception of inflation control worsened in July. That perception hinging on the fact that respondents believe the currency will depreciate over the next 12 months. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
President of the Montego Bay Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Winston Lawson, says some of its members have started sourcing alternative packaging material. This as the business community in St. James prepares for the pending ban on the use of specific categories of plastic. Mr. Lawson says he has challenged chamber members and the wider business community in St. James to play their part to ensure a seamless transition to what he called a very important policy shift. Currency trading ended today with the greenback selling for $134.24. The Canadian dollar is going for $105.04. The pound sold for $173.84, while the euro closed the day at $155.88 on average. The JSE index gained 2,833 points today, while the junior index rose by 14 points. Among the winners, AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Cream, Derrimon Trading, Elite Diagnostic, Fosterich, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, and Jamaica Broilers Group. Now, among the losers were Berger Paints, CAC 2000, Express Catering, there they are, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Producers, Knutsford Express Services, NCB Financial Group, and Portland JSX. That's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.